Bird is back. There he is. What the fuck is your problem, dude? That is a female robin. That's what that is. Pretty sure, anyway. What do you want? There's nothing in here for you. You gotta stop, dude. You gotta stop. Like, what's happening here? Why are you trying to break into my house? We don't have any bird loot in here. Are you ready for me to start putting out the seeds? Is that it? Are you concerned that I haven't put bird food out in a while? What's the malfunction? Can we talk? Tell me, what are your demands? Hi, bird. Hi, bird. What do you want? Look, is my window pissing you off? Like, how many times do you have to try it before you understand it's not moving? All right, nope, there he is. He goes and he comes, he goes and he comes. She goes and she comes. Do you need help? Like, oh, okay. What's the message? You want to tell me? Should I open the door? Do you want me to let the cat out? What is it? I don't know why you keep banging on my window, but it's disturbing. All right, we're going to come out and we're going to look and see what the hell you're looking at, because this is crazy. This bird is crazy. All right. Do you need help? Don't. Okay, so yeah. I'm really kind of concerned. I guess it's the reflection. He's seeing himself. She's seeing herself. It's got to be what it is. Stupid bird. All right. I think I've scared her off. Where is she? I'm sure she's somewhere. I don't know. All right. I'm over it, bird. Go play at someone else's house.